Here I have INFINIX S5, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, you have to open browser which you use normally, then tap here, then go to the history, tap on clear browsing data, and next you have to select a time period for which you want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, and all time. And then you have to select data types which you want to clear. It could be browsing history, cookies inside data, cache images and files. And then you just tap clear data, and as you can see, history is clear now. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.